on 14S with MGM ESC and Castle 2028. Been testing this motor out, setup out. Now we're drizzling in the rain. We're just testing it out. It's a really powerful setup, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. Give it a quick run real quick. Start, stop, breathe, 1 mile an hour. Speed's registering, start. Yeah, let's see what this setup can do. We're just starting on Castle 2028 800 kV motor on 14S. Doesn't hurt. Little slippery out, but we're gonna go for it. And she slide all over the place. She ran pretty good. You just have to give the exception for the rain. Hope I didn't brown the tires. Hopefully no flat spots on the tires, because we definitely don't want that. But she ran pretty good in the rain. She ran very good in the rain. Stop, breathe. 120 miles an hour in the rain, y'all. That's freaking amazing, y'all. 120 miles an hour in the rain. Sliding, no traction. Come on, man. It's a beast setup right here. Let's go and check it out. We're still testing and tuning this thing. Thank you, MGM, for letting me try this out. Here's the setup. Castle 2028 800 kV WFO racing mod 1.5 gears. Got the ONYX lipos in here, high voltage, 6S and 2 4S. You see how it's configured? See that? And also Gone Bananas, big shout out to them. So I'm real happy in this setup. Like I said, that thing was all over the road. Just did a quick 120. That was a real fast 120. And look at the distance, 3,600 feet total. We're not even really, we ain't doing much out here. So we might do one more pass. We'll let everything cool down. We might do one more pass. So yeah, we'll do one more pass, and we'll get back with y'all in a minute. But here's the setup right here, 120 miles an hour. Peace. Back, start, stop, read, track, start. Let's go ahead and go. Let's try it again. Are y'all ready? Let's go. Let's see what the second pass is. In the rain, same batteries, no charge. We did not charge the batteries. But yeah, we stopped the video for a second, but we did not charge these batteries. These are ONYX lipos. All right. Let's see what we got on that. That's not bad. I can't believe I tried to do that run with no, what's it called? Stop, read. 117 on that pass. It's not bad at all. So look, guys, we're done for today. You saw the setup already. MGM ESC, ONYX lipos, 9500, 24S, 16S for 14S, Castle 2028 800kv, WFO Racing Mod 1.5 gears, pinion and spur. Course gone bananas racing skins out here in the rain. Loving it. So big shout out to MGM, big shout out to Castle Creations, big shout out to Gone Bananas, big shout out to ONYX. Just big shout out to all y'all. Y'all are great supporters, man. I love it. We'll catch y'all next time. Great video. See y'all later. Peace.